Hi guys, so today we are making a classic comfort food dish, white sauce chicken pasta. This creamy and delicious pasta is packed with tender chicken, perfectly cooked pasta and a rich velvety white sauce. Get ready for a truly satisfying and flavorful meal. In this video, I'll guide you through every step to create this restaurant-worthy pasta dish in your own home. So if you're craving something creamy, comforting and delicious, stick around. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first keep water for boiling, cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 250 grams penne pasta, add some salt to taste. Then add about 3 to 4 tablespoons cooking oil and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the pasta is 90% cooked. So the pasta is cooked about 90% now, as you can see. Then simply strain the pasta. Then take 200 grams chicken breast cut in thin strips. Add some salt to taste. Add half teaspoon black pepper powder. And then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about 15 minutes. Then in a hot pan, add oil and simply fry the marinated chicken strips. Fry it until it is nice, crispy and golden brown. So the chicken is ready now. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then to make the pasta, in a hot pan add oil, add 3 tablespoons butter, 4 garlic cloves chopped. Then fry it for few seconds. Make sure that the garlic do not get brown. Then add 3 tablespoons maida or all-purpose flour and then cook the flour for about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure that the flame is not too high. Then add 2 cups milk and cook it until it gets nice and thick. It should get a nice sauce consistency. As you can see, that is getting nice and thick now. Make sure that the consistency is something like this. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil and then give it a nice mix. Cook it for about a minute. So the white sauce is ready now. Make sure the consistency is something like this. Then add the cooked pasta and give it a nice mix. Then add half cup cheddar cheese and give it a nice mix. Cook it until the cheese is nicely melted. Then add the cooked chicken and give it a final mix. So the white sauce chicken pasta is ready now. And there you have it guys, a beautifully creamy and comforting white sauce chicken pasta ready to be enjoyed. I hope you give this recipe a try for a satisfying and delicious meal. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. So that's how easy it is to make this delicious white sauce chicken pasta. I hope you found this recipe simple and easy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.